how to set contact information, phone, and email address on the lock screen on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Now in the settings page, we then scroll down and tap on lock screen and AOD. From here, tap on contact information. Next, in this text box, put in your contact information. So you can put in phone number and email address. And then tap on done. And that's it. Now if you go to your lock screen, you can see that the contact information will be displayed just beneath the fingerprint icon. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.